Hey there, folks. Today we're diving into a topic that's got a lot of us feeling a bit frazzled: the stress of air travel. And let me tell you, it seems like the reasons for this stress are multiplying faster than you can say boarding pass. So what's going on? Well, it's not just the usual suspects like seat selection fees and overbooked flights. We've got a whole host of new challenges to contend with. From winter storms causing cancellations to the ongoing tensions with Iran impacting flight paths, it's a wonder we're even getting off the ground. But that's not all. Government shutdowns have caused a funding standoff, resulting in crowded airport checkpoints and even the deployment of ICE officers to assist with security. Now, I'm all for keeping us safe, but at what cost? It's a delicate balance, and it seems like we're paying the price with longer wait times and increased expenses. Now, let's talk about a particularly harrowing incident: a fatal collision between a jet and a fire truck at New York's LaGuardia Airport. This tragedy has not only disrupted travel, but also highlighted the importance of efficient and well-resourced airport operations. It's a stark reminder of the potential consequences when things go wrong. Speaking of delays, I've got a story for you. John Hoffman, a frequent flyer, found himself stuck at Louis Armstrong International Airport for 2 days in a row due to lengthy security lines. Despite the presence of federal immigration officers, he questioned the necessity and cost of such measures. It's a valid concern, and it makes you wonder if we're overcomplicating things. On the other hand, we've got J.D. Foster, a college student who missed an important appointment and lost a deposit due to flight delays. Now, that's a real-life example of how these issues can have a significant impact on our plans and finances. It's not just about the inconvenience. It's about the ripple effect it has on our lives. Despite these challenges, the airline industry is urging us to get excited for summer vacation trips. They assure us that solutions are on the horizon and that we should feel confident about booking our travels. But personally, I think it's a bit of a stretch to expect us to be excited when we're dealing with so many stressors. You see, air travel is inherently anxiety-provoking for many. And when you add in all these recent issues, it's no wonder people are feeling overwhelmed. It's not just about the delays and complications. It's about the sense of unpredictability that hangs over every journey. So, what can we do to mitigate this stress? Well, experts recommend adopting a sense of adventure or, at the very least, acceptance. We need to embrace the fact that air travel is inherently unpredictable and prepare ourselves mentally. Practical tips include confirming flight details and wait times, but it's important not to get caught up in trying to prepare for every eventuality. Instead, focus on enjoying the journey with snacks, movies, and music. Avoid things like alcohol and online rants that could worsen your mood. It's all about self-care and finding ways to make the experience more pleasant. Dr. Zaid Fadel, a flight surgeon, suggests staying grounded mentally. He recommends deep breathing exercises and focusing on simple sensations like pressing your feet onto the floor. It's about finding control in the chaos and expressing gratitude, even to a TSA agent. It's a powerful reminder that we're all in this together, and that small acts of kindness can make a big difference. So the next time you find yourself in a long security line, remember Dr. Fadel's words: all's fair in love and travel. Embrace the adventure, stay grounded, and maybe even offer a kind word to the person next to you. It just might make your journey a little less stressful and a lot more enjoyable. Until next time, folks, keep those travel dreams alive, and remember to take care of yourselves out there.